So today I'm back for some more Groovepad. You know today's the first day of school. Kids are back to school now. Yay! Today's song is Dubstep Substance. Usually we do lessons every day per hours. So we should get started right now. Okay, it's time to start. Ooh, me. Time to start lesson 1. I don't know what the acids sound like. It sounds like something is really gudgy. It was it's sculpted and it's literally looking me sick. Okay, lesson 2. Okay, I can't tell you what songs should we do first. We completed lesson 2. No, moving on to lesson 3. I just know what I'm doing. I will fulfill it now. It's critically trying to apply my discipline on those type of beats that I make. You know, like when you have some progression, you just have to manage it. So, moving on to lesson 4. Here we go. I definitely need to have a stronger management in order to have more strength and power. To have miniature reflection. Alright, lesson 5. So, what do you think I should do in order to precise this? What? Groovepad. So Groovepad music. I like the way that they sound already. You just told me that you need to be more accessible. Oh, that's what I have to do. Gosh. Okay. Lesson 6. Wow, I crushed it. Okay. So what do you want to look first? Uber Eats? What? Are you kidding me right now? I don't know anything about Uber Eats. Never even looked anything before. Never look at that type of stuff. Especially one of those specific food details. No, absolutely not. We're not doing that. Talking about you looking at Uber Eats. I never even done that before. Randomly occurring in my life. Okay, lesson 7. I make it sound a little weird. Sounds like a little robot. Ooh, Labor Day. It isn't even Labor Day yet, you guys. No. You gotta wait until a couple more weeks come. Okay, lesson 8, here we go. So, including my accessibility on Groovepad, that's normally requiring some circumstances. Oh, so you're telling me that you have circumstances along with making your beats on Groovepad? Exactly. That's the only thing I can do to require it. Okay, you try to flip around. Okay. Show me how you do your tumbling. Okay, that was good. Because you need to enhance your stretching. Oh no. Hold on, guys. Bless you. Good kid. Shh. Shh. Okay, we need to get this done. It's not going to interrupt me. We We just don't want this to happen right this instant. Okay, it's time to start the 9th lesson, so here we go. I need to sit up. Apparently, I just tapped on those beats, which is the lead.
Summer's here, and right now get 0% financing for 5 years on all 2026 Silverado 1500 miles, with no payments for 90 days.
I should know about the Groovepad sound effects. The acid. No, I don't know about the acid. Okay. Believe it or not, it's phenomenal. Okay, lesson 10. Wow, that was fast and quick.
The Chevy Equinox doesn't miss a beat, with dependability for the miles ahead, and tech to make them smoother.
Oh, why are you on the ground? Stay with Okay, so we are moving on to the next song. Okay, there we go. So tomorrow we'll do Afro House along with Afrobeat, Euphoria, Genuine Trap. Okay, it's coming on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. Wednesday we'll do Afrobeat and then Afro House. And then Thursday we'll do Genuine Trap. Finally finished for today. You don't got nothing else to say? No, I don't. Okay. You know, if you don't want to get yourself persuaded, because that will even get you off the hook. Really? Yes. Good. Yeah. Oh, talking about you want to look at Uber Eats. I'm not ready to even look at stuff from Uber Eats. Oh, they got a burger, a pizza, avocados, salad, and tacos. That's like a various connection of choice food options, I think. Maybe in my full commitment to that's highly generosity. Huh? Okay. You told me you want to look at stuff on Uber Eats. Okay. Which is the green thing. Also, we're going to look at something called Uber Eats.
I was making so much money with DoorDash. I wanted to earn money in my free time,
We don't have time to look at stuff from DoorDash.
but I didn't want to go out and get a...
Before I could even make my intro this evening, $7.81 for 1.9 miles at McDonald's. That's where we are heading first. I have Uber Eats and DoorDash on for today's dinner rush. I declined 2 orders on DoorDash and they paused my dash already, and then this Uber came through. So I don't know if DoorDash just doesn't like it when you have another app on, or they're just pausing you for declining multiple orders.
Oh my gosh. You said DoorDash and Uber Eats got you declined? That's not fair. That's unreliable. Uh-huh. I will have to admit, children don't even order stuff until we get the money, cash. So yeah, I don't want to look at stuff on Uber. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know which song do you think I should do on Groovepad next. Let me know in the comments. Bye.